As I sat working on a project that has proven to be just pure garbage, this feeling was growing stronger and stronger inside of me. And the questions I've asked myself thousands of times before start to rear their ugly heads. What are you doing this for? Don't you know this is just a waste of time? I'm Nicolette Moore. I'm a mom of 4, in love with this hottie, an avid and addicted coffee drinker, an entrepreneur, and countless people have told me over the years that I guess I suffer from resting bitch face. As you can see, I tried to do a lot to my face to make it go from this to this. I'm working hard to build a meaningful business online. As often as I can, I dedicate time to it. Between feeding the kids, pretending to keep my house clean, working on my other work to all hours of the night, ... and trying to learn everything I need to about having a successful online business. It's a lot. So this feeling was really overwhelming me, and I knew I had to write down what was going on. So here I go. I gotta hunt down my journal, find a Sharpie that doesn't work. I've learned this really simple 4-step technique to feel better fast. So I knew I had to take action or else I'd be feeling like this, and maybe even halt progress on the work I've been doing altogether. And I want to share with you the 4 steps I took to change this feeling that hit the pit of my stomach. Right there. And help me go from this to this. Okay, step 1, describe it. I gotta describe what I'm feeling. What is my body feeling? Where are the sensations going on in my body right now? I've got a knot in my belly. My heart is beating off rhythm. I can feel it. And my head kind of feels like it's spinning. When you describe what you're feeling in your body, you're able to acknowledge how this emotion is making you feel physically, and you can kind of separate yourself from it. You can kind of step away and see how this emotion is affecting you physically. I feel like I can't do this. I can't balance work and kids, family and business, and it's making me feel awful. But now that I can take deliberate control of these thoughts and really tune into how they're affecting my mood, my body, my actions, it's going to help me to stop this cycle of these thoughts controlling me. Number 2 is name it. What name can I give the emotion I'm feeling? I know I feel like I can't do this, and I see what I can't do this is making me feel like, but what is that name? And really, what it comes down to is fear. When I can acknowledge that there is fear involved, it helps to separate me further from the fear controlling me. I realize I can create a valley between I am afraid and I feel afraid. Just because I feel it doesn't mean that it's controlling me anymore. It's acknowledging that I feel this emotion. I no longer take ownership of this emotion, but I'm able to acknowledge that it's something that I feel. The next step is to identify my thoughts. What are all the thoughts that are feeding this emotion? The thoughts I was having was, my creativity sucks. I've got way too much on my plate. I need more time with my kids. I am not good enough. I've got nothing to offer. I can't do the work I want to do and actually make a difference. There might be one predominant thought, or if you're like me, you'll have plenty of attacking thoughts to sort through. I realized my thoughts really were summed up with, I'm afraid that I cannot succeed. So I know that my emotional state really stems from the thoughts that I'm having. And now I've been able to really summarize my thoughts into one sentence. Now I can take control of what's going on. The next thing is step 4, change it. Now I have an opportunity to change my thoughts. When I take control of my thoughts, I look at them for what they are, I can really start to think with more power and control the thoughts that I'm having and change them. So instead of, I am afraid that I cannot succeed, I can bring to mind that I already have made a difference and I've already helped people. I get so many compliments and incredible testimonies that touch my heart. My family loves me and I remember there's so much more to come. So instead of being afraid, now I'm able to get excited and recharged to keep pressing on. Messages like this really remind me of why I'm doing what I'm doing. I know at any time I can go and get hugs and kisses from my kids, or I can read through these messages that people send to me. Then I'm able to really call out those thoughts that I've been having as the lies that they are. I can see now I'm already successful. That's how I get better fast. What do you do to get better fast? Share in the comments below. And if you don't have anything, I hope this helped. Let me know that too. And if you haven't already,
make sure